Hi guys, Pablo here. Welcome to the third update of our application Zenva Sky, the world's first virtual reality app to teach coding and computer science. We are developing this app as part of the Intel Ultimate Coder Challenge, an online competition where we are competing against 7 other teams to develop the best commercial virtual reality application within 8 weeks. And this is week 3. Now let's go to virtual reality so that I can show you the actual gameplay of this experience. Okay, well, we are inside the experience now. I'm using a Samsung mixed reality headset. And the first thing that I'm noticing is that because when I set up my tracking area, I was looking at the wrong direction, um, I appear a little bit off the place where I should be. So I want to be there, and I'm here, and maybe there's a wall in between. So what we've added here, just it's sort of like the ability to adjust your seat, and using the touch part of the controller, I can just move a little bit to the right position. So now that I'm well positioned, I can start adding instructions here. How do I add instructions? Well, as you can see, I've got a hand controller here. This is a placeholder, and so it's not going to look like this. None of this is going to look like this in the final version, by the way. This is all a prototype. So what I want to do is press the corresponding instructions. I want to be moving forward one cell, that I want to move forward again. I want to rotate, move forward, rotate, and move forward. So I'm going to go and do that. So I'm going to move forward, and as you can see here in the program, the instructions that I press, they will appear in this area. And let's say I made a mistake, so I want to go and I want to remove this. This is a big change from what we had last week, where when we were using a laser pointer to select. So we are using our hands here to select things, to cancel things, to execute things. So we're moving forward again, then we're rotating to the left, we are moving forward. As you can see, rotate shows like a value that we are rotating. Then we are rotating to the right, so it's the same method, but with a different value. And lastly, we are moving forward again. Now I'm gonna go and press execute to begin the execution of my program. So let's go and do that. There's a furniture here, so I'm having a bit of trouble reaching it. Okay, so here we go. We are now moving. The vehicle is moving, and all of these commands are being executed. So you have basically made a little program, and now we are running that program, and the player, the user, is in the vehicle. Now, as you could see, the rotations at the moment are happening instantly. We are going to try having them smooth as well, but that tends to make people a little bit motion sick. So I'm a bit wary about having rotations gone in a smooth way. We need to test that with people. So far, we've tested this with a few people, and none of them felt motion sick. We have been doing a lot of iterations in terms of what speed it should go, and also the size of the cells. Also, a big change from last week is that now we are only programming the vehicle. We're no longer interacting with other elements, because that got a little bit too complicated. There were too many windows, too many things to click. Whereas now it's very intuitive. You are moving this vehicle, and you have to control it. And there will be, as you make progress, there will be more and more buttons added to your dashboard, so that you can do things a bit more complex. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for next week's update.